What does DTCP05BB00 mean? DTCP05BB00 indicates that the Airbag Control Module, SRS ECU, has detected crash event storage full and locked. In simple terms, the Airbag ECU has stored crash data after a collision, and the memory is now locked. Because of this, the SRS system disables airbag operation, and the fault code cannot be erased with a normal diagnostic scan tool. Common causes. The vehicle has been involved in a previous accident. Crash data has been permanently stored in the Airbag ECU. The Airbag ECU has been opened or repaired improperly, causing internal circuit board damage. A replacement Airbag ECU has been installed, but has not been programmed or registered online using Toyota Techstream Plus, GTS Plus. Symptoms. Airbag, SRS, warning light remains on. DTCP05BB00 cannot be cleared. Driver assistance systems may also display warning messages. The SRS system is disabled until the fault is repaired. Professional repair procedure. 1. Confirm the vehicle has no active wiring or sensor faults. 2. Inspect the Airbag ECU for signs of previous repair or physical damage. 3. Replace the Airbag ECU if it is internally damaged or crash locked. 4. Register the new Airbag ECU online using Toyota Techstream Plus, GTS Plus. 5. Complete the required security authentication process. 6. Perform calibration and registration of the front millimeter wave radar and front recognition camera, if required by the vehicle configuration. 7. Verify that all SRS DDCs are cleared and the warning lights are OFF. Important Technician tip. On many 2025 to 2026 Toyota and Lexus models, simply replacing the Airbag ECU is not enough. The new module must be authenticated and registered online with Toyota Techstream Plus. Otherwise, DTCP05BB00 will remain active and the SRS warning light will not turn off even though the hardware has been replaced. Have you recently purchased the Toyota Corolla Levin and noticed that the dashboard warning lights are illuminated? The Airbag, SRS, warning light is on, and multiple warning messages are displayed on the instrument cluster? I connected a professional diagnostic scanner and found several fault codes stored in the SRS Airbag system. No matter how many times I tried, the fault codes would not clear. There is a very important point about 2026 Toyota and Lexus vehicles that every technician and owner should know. Stay with me until the end of this video because this information can save you a lot of time and unnecessary repair costs. After a thorough inspection, I discovered that this vehicle had previously been involved in an accident. The Airbag Control Module, SRS ECU, had been opened and improperly repaired, which caused damage to the electronic circuit board inside the module. Now you can watch the complete procedure for removing the Airbag Control Module. Please pay close attention to the following point. On Chinese market Toyota vehicles, whenever you replace an electronic control unit, especially the Airbag ECU, the new module must be registered online using Toyota GTS Plus, Techstream Plus. During this process, the vehicle's security authentication is completed and the new ECU is electronically matched to the vehicle. If this online registration is not performed correctly, the fault codes will remain active and cannot be cleared, even if the new Airbag ECU is installed properly. There is another critical step that many technicians overlook. After installing and successfully registering the new Airbag ECU, you must also recalibrate and register the front millimeter wave radar and the front camera. Only after these calibration procedures are completed will all warning messages disappear and the diagnostic trouble codes be completely cleared. In my upcoming training videos, I'll show you the complete step-by-step procedure for registering and calibrating the front radar and front camera using Toyota Techstream Plus. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my upcoming professional Toyota and Lexus diagnostic tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
So high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. The rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They said slow down, son, take your time, but I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Feeds a flame, every scar